Welcome to Microsoft Office Specialist Excel. In this video, we'll learn how to create a new blank workbook. Firstly, we start Excel. On home screen, we simply hit Escape button. Here got our new blank workbook. On the home screen, we can click Blank Workbook Thumbnail. We can also get a new blank workbook. In Program window, to add another new blank workbook, we can click File menu, New Page, and click Blank Workbook Thumbnail. We got our new blank workbook. To create new blank workbook quickly, we can use shortcut Ctrl N. Here we got our new blank workbook. Repeat this method. We got Book 3, Book 4, and Book 5. Thanks for watching.